All right, you guys. Oh. Somebody's barking. A lot of people. I don't see the dog. I'm on my way to dinner, and I just want to give you thoughts on what I think happened today in the stock rail town, RLAIF, and on the Canadian RAIL. I think it's .cn, but it's on the Canadian Stock Exchange. It was not exactly textbook, and probably not enough volume, and probably not enough real trading for what I think happened today to be, a textbook example of it. But I think today was capitulation. If I'm wrong, you might have further pressure Monday morning. And if you want to play that, the way to play it is to put orders to buy in underneath the market. But I don't think it's going to happen. I think this was it. I think the last moments today was capitulation. What do I mean by that? During the day, at some point in the morning, I think one investor, maybe two or three, gave up and they sold. When that came out, those were real trades outside of the computerized selling. When that came on the market, the computers went to work, and they were successful at getting the stock down, 20% intraday, maybe more. And it reached kind of a climax. What I'm noticing is kind of a miniature portion of it, but it reached a climax, and I don't know, 20 minutes to go, 15 minutes to go, and the stock snapped back up. And unfortunately, I'm walking. I didn't check the closing price, but the bid came back to 41 something. The ask was higher. The stock didn't close in the green, but it closed up nicely from the lows. On, to my memory, 6,500 shares was the last trade to buy. And that I think was the sign that we've gone through the worst of it. If you still have it, and I hope you do, that was the worst of it, in my judgment. I know this has been painful. It's been drawn out. It's been a nightmare in many ways. But the stock's still up. Everything fundamentally true about the company is still true, as far as I can tell. And the news is going to start to flow. I don't know when. I still think soon. I still think any minute, but obviously it could be any day, any week. But once it starts flowing, I think it's going to be steady. And what I think is going to come, there's some music playing, and a vehicular, I guess it's a golf cart. I think the buying is going to come in. I want you to remember they paid for an IR firm out of London. It was announced. And that buying is going to, that effort to buy is going to start. That IR work is going to kick in at some point. Obviously, it hasn't yet. Does it start next week? I think so. Could it be the following week? Maybe. But those guys are hired to bring in investors. I think they were out of London. It's in the press releases about 2 or 3 months ago. Let's see, where can I do this? I guess I can do this here. Thank you. Aw, puppy dogs.
I'm gonna throw all this away.
They usually keep the bag and like the dog stuff back in it.
Oh,
It's like they have such complicated feelings on it because she was one of the first professors named on it. Like,
So anyway, I think you're going to get concerted outreach to investors starting next week. It could be following week. I believe that Corey and his team are going to start, if they haven't already, they're going to start telling the story to investors via phone calls, Zoom calls, road trips, meetings, road shows, we used to call it. And I think that's going to start next week. If I'm wrong, it's the following week. But once it starts, these things are going to be, they're going to be the bricks that build the steps that Railtown goes up. I do want to point out again that what the shorts are doing any given day. There's different kinds of shorts, but in this stock, the shorts are, I don't know if I can walk there. Hope I can. The shorts are
opening convocation, it was at least 3 or 4 weeks before they came out and got it.
I guess I missed something here. What the shorts goal is short term. They want to get you to sell. They want to get the stock down. So on 100, let's say 100,000 shares, it doesn't have to be one trade. It can be a bunch of trades. It can be back and forth. But if they can make 4 cents on 100,000 shares, $4,000. It's better than digging ditches. It's all they're trying to do. And while you're sitting there, understandably, with your heart in your throat, they're just executing their battle plan for the day or the week. And you think it means something. It doesn't. And I'm not picking on you personally. I'm saying all of us. It doesn't mean a thing in terms of the stock or the fundamentals. All it means is there's no uptick rule. There's no enforcement of securities laws. They collude, they cheat, and everybody goes along with it. So we just got to be aware of that and not be frightened out. Now, I think from what I can tell, and I'm just talking to a bunch of different people. Nobody's the company. I don't have any direct information. But I think my assessment is correct that what's going on is a lot of signatures. It's a lot of people. And so any one person leading it, being the conductor, so to speak, any one guy or girl doing it, they can't get it all done because there's so many human beings making their decisions, when to get to their desk, when to open their email, when to sign the bloody thing. And I think that's what the delays are. The delays are all procedural. They're all I don't know where to go. Yeah, I guess I'm going the right way. They're all procedural. They are all maybe attorneys or regulators or just human beings taking their time with a signature. And, one person tracking them down, okay, but several or 20, it's a pain, and you can't fix it. Sorry for the light. So anyway, I think today was capitulation, which is a bullish sign. I think the stock had a key reversal. I might be reaching, but I think today, if you bought it, that was the best trade you've made. I think there's a possibility Monday morning, if the lawyers are still futzing around, the signatures are still waiting, whatever, there's a possibility that I'm really confused where I go. I guess I gotta go up over here. Yeah, I'll go over there. So I'm glad you made it through today. I think it's going to get better as soon as Monday morning. Might take longer than that, but it's going to be pretty quickly. We're going to start watching this stock go up 50 cents, $1 a day, and get maybe, like I called for, an average of $1 a week from here on out. So what else did I want to tell you? I think that's about it. I'll try to come on in the morning when I can sit and I can check news and all those things. I don't know exactly. I don't think this is where I need to go. I think it's over here. All right, so key things. 1, key trend reversal today, capitulation. I think somebody gave up, or more than one person gave up, giving the shorts some power temporarily one day, and it turned around. There was buying at the end of the day. I think that the gag is off, so the company can start talking to investors, and I think they'll start doing that this weekend and going from here until the end of the year. I think buyers are going to come in. I think big buyers are going to come in. They haven't yet, but I think it's starting. And with that, I will try to come on in the morning, but I have some sort of dinner event to go to myself, so let's get this party started. Everybody, peace for the weekend. Cheers, or until tomorrow morning. Cheers.